Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Unlock your inner musician with AI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own music using AI. Even if you've never composed or written lyrics before, let's give a listen to what we're going to make.
So I'll sing my heart out, let it go. Finding strength in this pain I know. With every tear I'm breaking free. A brand new chapter's calling me. With every tear I'm breaking free. A brand new chapter's calling me. Goodbye to the memories that haunts. I'm moving on, I'll be who I want.
To create music with AI, we go to the Suno website. Version 3.5 of Suno was recently released, and it's one of the best music generators in the world. On the homepage, you'll see a gallery of music generated by this AI, categorized into different sections. For example, here you can see trending music, cover songs, and remixes. To listen to the music, simply hover over the cover, and the play icon will appear. Click on it to preview the tracks. When you click on any music, a player will open at the bottom of the site to control the track. On the right side, detailed information about the song, such as the title, artist, and lyrics, will be displayed.
Chaos rages on, can't find a retreat. The sky crackles open, stars begin to bleed. Reality's a glitch to the precious is to see.
To create an account, click the Sign In button in the bottom left corner. A window will open with options like Google, Apple, Microsoft accounts, or even a mobile number to register. I log in with my Google account. After logging in, we can access the user profile by clicking on the small icon located in the bottom left corner. To start creating music with Suno AI, click on the Create link in the top right menu. Click on the account balance to learn more about the available plans. As of this tutorial state, the free account, called Basic, gives you 50 daily tokens for free, which can be used to create music. Once the credits are used up for the day, they will automatically recharge the next day, allowing you to continue making music for free. Keep in mind, there's no guarantee, and these plans or limits may change in the future, so don't hold me, the content creator, responsible. In the basic plan, these free credits allow you to create up to 10 songs daily with Suno AI. The basic plan is completely free and quite attractive, but if it doesn't meet your needs, you can pay for higher plans. Now, the exciting question is, can we publish the music created by Suno AI on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and others to make money? And can we use this music in our YouTube videos? The answer is fantastic. While we can't commercially use the music created with the free credits in the basic plan, this restriction is lifted when you purchase any of the paid plans, allowing you to use the music for commercial purposes and earn money. In other words, upgrading to the Pro plan for just $10 gives you 2,500 credits, allowing you to create up to 500 tracks per day. The best part is that you can distribute all these tracks on various platforms, earn revenue from them, and even use them legally in your YouTube content without worrying about copyright strikes. If you're interested in learning more, it's best to review the AI's terms of service and the different plan options. Let's return to the Create section. To have full control over all elements of the music, click on the Custom option. Be sure to select the latest Suno version, which is 3.5, from the drop-down menu. There are various ways to start making music. Some people create the music first and then write lyrics, while others do it the other way around. But let's start with the lyrics. A song typically has a theme, structure, and two main sections, the verse and the chorus. The number of verses and choruses is flexible and can change depending on the song's theme. I plan to create a song about a heartbreak, with 2 choruses and 1 verse. Do you think I'm going to write the lyrics myself? You'd be wrong. Many of us are not lyricists, but there's a very powerful and knowledgeable tool that can help us: ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT can write lyrics. But how? Let me show you. I turned to ChatGPT, our savior here. As you can see, I told ChatGPT that I need lyrics for a heartbreak-themed pop song with 2 verses and 1 chorus. You need to clearly explain your needs to ChatGPT, so it can generate the right lyrics for you. Now the lyrics are ready. I copy them and go back to the Suno website. In the lyrics box, I paste the text. Make sure to put the verse and chorus sections in brackets so Suno AI can understand them properly. In the style of music section, define the style of the song with words like pop, rock, trance, house, hip-hop, etc. These keywords will help Suno AI better understand the style of music you're aiming for. Then I add a title for the song in the title box. Finally, I click the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and in just a short time, the music is generated according to my specifications. I can now review each song by clicking on it.
We had our dreams, painted bright, but the colors faded in the night. Words once sweet turned to
With the player at the bottom of the website, I can control the music. Note that with each song created, an automatic cover is also generated and displayed in the right panel along with the lyrics. The music generated on my first attempt, while nice, didn't fully satisfy me. I wasn't happy with it. So, let's make some changes. I adjust the settings in the style of music section. After that, I click Generate again. My request enters the queue, and shortly after, the music is ready. Notice that now 4 songs have been created, and 20 tokens have been deducted from my daily allowance. Let's review the new tracks.
We had our dreams painted bright, but the colors faded in the night. Words once sweet turned to stone. Now I'm lost, feeling all alone. Thought we'd last through the storm, but you were gone before the dawn. Every phase of what we had, dear, I'm breaking strength and I'll let it go. This is driving me mad, so I'll sing my heart, I'll let it go. Finding strength in this pain I know. With every tear I'm breaking free. A brand new chapter's calling me. We had our dreams painted bright, but the colors faded in the night. Words once sweet turned to stone. Now I'm lost, feeling all alone. Thought we'd last through the storm, away without a care, picking up pieces of what we had. Love turned to ashes, it's driving me mad. So I'll sing my heart out, let it go.
The music from the second attempt is truly amazing and much more to my liking. I'm really happy with it, but let's make some more changes and see what we can achieve on the third try. I tweak the style of music settings again. After that, I click Generate again. My request enters the queue, and shortly after, the music is ready. Let's go over the new tracks together.
We had our dreams painted bright, but the colors faded in the night. Words once sweet turned to stone. Now I'm lost, feeling all alone. Thought we last, so I'll sing my heart out, let it go. Find
We had our dreams painted bright, but the colors fade in the night. Words once sweet turned to stone. Now I'm lost, feeling all alone. New chapters calling me goodbye to the memories that haunt. I'm moving on, I'll be who I want. Finding strength in this pain, ashes is driving me mad. So I'll sing my heart, I'll let it go. Finding strength in this pain, I know. With every tear I'm breaking free, a brand new.
Now 6 songs have been created, and 30 tokens have been deducted from my daily balance. On the right-hand side of each song, there's a 3-dot icon. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu, where you can select download and then audio to download the MP3 file to your device. This tutorial is just the beginning of using Suno AI to create music. In this AI, we can even create music based on our own voice or get a raw version of the music without any vocals, which will be covered in advanced tutorials later. If you want more advanced music creation tutorials with AI, let me know by commenting with Suno and AI Music to heat up this request. If there's enough demand, I'll continue with more advanced Suno tutorials. Otherwise, this will be the last one. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If so, why are you just watching? Smash the like button and share this tutorial with your friends. If you're interested in AI topics, you're in the right place. I upload tutorials on this topic every week, so subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated and not miss out on anything. AI is the future, embrace it. Stay tuned for the next video.